In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a poll for your Twitch. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Twitch stream manager, and here under quick actions, I'm clicking on this add new action. In this quick action box, I'm typing here poll, and as you can see, poll widget is not available in my Twitch account. In your Twitch dashboard, if you're also facing this kind of error, then I'll show you how to use a third-party app to make a poll for Twitch. First of all, you have to open this website, nightbot.tv. So we are going to add this bot to our Twitch. So click on add to chat, and here we have to select our Twitch account. Just scroll down and click on authorize. And then the Nightbot will automatically connect with your Twitch account. Now it's time to set up Nightbot for our Twitch. So from this Nightbot dashboard, select join channel. Now go back to your Twitch and click on this message box, and you have to send this command and click on chat. This command gives Nightbot moderator permission so it can run commands on your channel. So as you can see, now you have to go to this website strawpoll.com and click on create a poll, and all you have to need, write here your poll question, and here poll type, select multiple choice, or you can select image poll, meeting poll. So here go ahead and type your poll options. Once you're happy, click on create poll, and here we can see the poll preview. Now just click on share and copy the poll link. Now we have to add this poll to our Nightbot dashboard. So go to your Nightbot dashboard and select commands, click on new command, and here just type this command, and then response, here type vote here, and paste these poll link that we just copied, and required user level, select everyone, and then click on create. And here we can see the command created. Now it's time to use the poll in our Twitch. So go to your Twitch and click on this message box, type here the command and send the command. And here we can see the Nightbot successfully showing me the command vote here. So anyone will be able to easily vote the poll by clicking on this link. So that's how you can actually make poll in our Twitch if you cannot create poll from Twitch dashboard.